What's up, guys? I am making a epic spider catching video with a spider catching. This is what we caught earlier. This is my brother's. He's over there. And over here's mine. Hello. So let's get straight to it. Here they are, some decent spider webs.
I'm freaking out right now.
Okay. So it looks like our mom is trying to go at it. Oh, there's a big chunky one right there.
Yeah,
Ooh.
Mommy's trying to get that one.
Trying to zoom in, guys. Wait. Where is it? Hold on.
Mommy, just get already.
Look at my finger.
So this
Follow
is the
my
web.
finger.
Oh wait, no, Isaiah, move your head. Move your
Look
head.
at my finger.
Right there. Yeah, that's a big one. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't find it. Oh, right there, right there, right there.
You have to follow my finger. Record my finger.
So,
Mommy, catch
Look
it.
for my finger.
I found it. I have it.
Catch it.
Okay, I just have your finger. Okay, I see your hand.
And Mommy, use the
it's
other
moving.
one.
Oh, it went up.
Use
Oh,
the
it's
other
right
one.
there.
You got it.
Okay, let's move. Move out. Okay. Oh, I think I just saw a spider in the rocks. The one that I caught earlier.
Yeah, net.
Okay, hurry up. This came with our set.
Oh.
You want to open yours? Yeah, put it in yours.
Put it in mine?
Yeah, open yours. If you want, you can release yours. Okay, carefully open it.
Just leave them both together.
Okay, carefully.
You're not.
Don't let him escape. Go.
In.
Okay, go.
Put it in.
Put it in.
Mommy. It's all you.
Careful, is it? Look, careful.
It's all you, Mommy. You got it.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's in there. I said.
It's on the bottom.
Oh, no. Oh, no, it's on the cup. It's on, Mommy, it's. Oh,
it's in.
He's caught it.
It's in.
I got it.
Wait, you go both. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Look at that right there. Look. Oh, it's on the glass.
We need to take.
Dude,
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Wait. Wait, because it's trying to get out. It's trying to get out.
Nice beauty. Got it. Oh, it's caught. Oh, jeez, look at that.
Let me see.
Look at that beauty.
Let me see, guys. Oh, look at that beauty.
Oh,
Is this the only way it closes? There's no.
yeah. There's no. It won't completely
And
stitch
guys,
shut.
there's more.
Dude, should we try to catch another? Okay.
Why?
I'm done.
Okay, you're done.
Let's go. Let's see if we can catch another. Here, get the cups. Get the cups. Get the cups.
Phone back.
And what I mean by catch another is he'll catch another. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Next video.